Children, I'm Shomita ma'am back again with the strategy to handle organic chemistry for NEET. A lot of requests had come. So before we proceed, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Really a big confusion how to handle the entire syllabus of organic chemistry. So here I have come with few tips how to handle it. The key to master organic chemistry for NEET involves discipline, putting in time consistently, doing problems and focusing on learning concepts. Definitely do not give up, do not get frustrated. The more interested in and passionate about organic chemistry that you can get, the better you'll do in the subject. Definitely, please do not learn the subject only for the test. Please do fall in love with it. Then only you'll be able to understand it more easily. How to study the organic part in chemistry for NEET. Now, here are some study tips. Build a solid foundation from the start. Definitely, a solid foundation is very important. We all know that. Not only to master organic chemistry, but for every subject. You have to learn concepts, practice, and identify weaknesses. Then practice the weaknesses. As the test approaches, emphasis on strength. Definitely, in the beginning, do not focus on your strength, but on your weaknesses and try to make a solid ground in that case. Focus on understanding, not just memorization is enough. There are some topics that require memorization like nomenclature terms, functional groups and so on. Memorization is good as long as you can understand the concepts in a deeper way. Focus less on memorizing long sequences of arrows and chunk mechanisms into steps. Definitely the long mechanisms you won't be able to memorize. For that you need a lot of practice. Know the theory and reasoning why something happens. To truly understand the theory and reasoning of what you're being taught, you will be better able to apply it to other sections of organic chemistry too. Knowing what something happens in chemistry is very useful because it allows you to apply it to the other situations too. Definitely, please do learn by knowing the meaning of it. Regularly attend classes and never procrastinate. Never ever miss a class and always be engaged with the teacher. Half the battle is just showing up. Go over the class notes every day over and over. Don't fall behind. Avoid procrastination. Write things out such as reactions and mechanisms. One more important tip is you must carry a rough notebook with you always whenever you are having a class or maybe you are in your practice session. If chemistry is just like maths, you cannot learn it, you have to practice it. Consistently practice problems. It is one thing to just pay attention in class, but at the end of the day, you're not going to understand the topic until you do problems. After doing a problem, ask yourself what you learned from it instead of just mentally ticking it off and moving on to the next one. You physically do it. Do not just depend on your mental practice. You have to do it physically in the notebook itself. Make notes for important stuff and mistakes, and please make notes on your own. Do not depend on any YouTuber for a ready-made note. Right from the start of the preparation, make note cards to learn reactions with examples and mechanisms. When a teacher says this is something important, you should really know, add it to your notes. Make a notebook of mistakes you make while solving problems and revise it regularly. I would suggest to make a notebook for your mistakes even. It is going to remind you what are the mistakes that you have made and you are never going to do it again ever in your life. The basic concepts of physics. Yes, this is the Mool mantra. Basic physics concept helping in learning organic chemistry. A good understanding of electrostatics, familiarity with the basics of thermodynamics, equilibrium and kinetics will help you in grasping the topics well in organic chemistry. You all must be solving questions from previous year's papers. In NEET, often the exact same question or a slight change from the previous year's question can be asked during the exam or a mock test. Get frustrated when not able to solve a question. Finish the rest of the exam and come back to the problem. Do not sit with the problem but finish the entire paper, then come back if you have time and then think on the problem. The best way to study organic chemistry for NEET is to practice doing problems and problems. As you are practicing, you are retaining all the mechanism for a long term without actually memorizing for the mechanisms only for a test. And when you're making your own notes, definitely you're learning it twice so you remember it better. Assuming you have notes for organic chemistry. Firstly, read your notes thoroughly, learn the reactions by heart, but don't stress on learning the reactions. Please do practice them. Already told you, practice is the mool mantra. You cannot learn long mechanisms, but you can only remember them by practicing. You need to read it, and the mechanisms are important too. So first read and then plot a story in your mind sequentially. Do it every time. It will help you in solving questions that are asked from the mechanisms, and you will be able to frame the mechanism on spot. But you have to do a lot of hard work and practice. Make short notes. Don't write mechanisms in your short notes, then it doesn't remain a short note, it becomes a long note. Just write down the net reaction, and when you revise your short notes, just remember mechanism in the back of your mind. The key is to revise as many times as possible. Keep doing questions frequently. Read the NCERT at least 3 times, because every time you will read NCERT, it will surprise you. Definitely, it will come up with something new. You will discover something new when you are thoroughly reading it again and again. Once you start solving questions, you will get an idea in what way you have to study organic chemistry. Since you are practicing again and again, it's going to stay with you for a longer period of time. You are never going to forget it. Definitely, you are not going to forget it. Believe me, I have seen it with my own eyes with many of my children over the years. All the best, children. So, this was a small thing from my side. Hope it will help you in your preparation. Please do comment whatever is your requirement. Thank you. All the best.